I recently took off with some friends and we headed to the rainforest. The journey there was just the beginning of the fun and of the beautiful sights that lay ahead. Something that amazes me about the forest is the prosperity of it. The rich greens, the abundant light, even parts that look overgrown or broken have a certain beauty. Which got me to thinking, as we're on this journey called life, we're going to come across situations where things seem overgrown, where proportions are overblown. We may even be the ones that are broken. In those moments, will we stop and recognize the beauty? You see, the thing is, life flows on, and I urge you to float on with it. If you continue to press on towards the goal, and if you don't let your circumstances dictate your happiness, then you might come to grasp not only the beauty that's around you, but the beauty that's within you.